So let's put on the back windscreen wiper. Stay open. Come on. Yep. First, need to pry off this one. It's like this. Clicked on here. Just go round and round. Pry it off. Chuck. See, it's little clips, tiny clips. You can just lift it a bit. Then the old one. It's pretty hard at first, but it's mounted in like this. I just have to pull it like this. So let's recommence. First we have to pry off this. Something like this. Just pull the lips up a bit. Around and around, it comes off, click. Then you can stretch this all the way because this is blocking it. Yep. Now obviously it's worn out. How to rip it apart? It's on there like this. Of course it's clicked in. I'm not gonna click it in anymore because it's really tight, but all you have to do, it's goes something like this, and then you have to push forward, clack, and get it off like that with reasonable amount of force. Now we have a new bush one, new bush parts, and this one goes in really easy, almost too easy. Bam, there we go. That's how you do it. Just click this on. Yep, the lips should be on. Oh, look. Up, there we go. Nice and tight. That's how you do it.